Vote for Ron Paul. He is intelligent. He is a worthy candidate in the 2012 elections. If he is president, we can feel safer as citizens, and our future is at hand. Vote for Ron Paul. He is a great American. He knows the Constitution and is familiar with foreign relations. Vote for Ron Paul. I am serious. Vote for Ron Paul, 'cause you can make a difference like I did. Ron Paul 2012. He can't win all by himself. He needs our help. Make your vote count. The time is now. Ron Paul, he once was a doctor. Ron Paul, he does things proper. Ron Paul, to help each other. Ron Paul. Ron Paul, to fix our problems. Ron Paul can help us solve them. Ron Paul understands we must cut down on the government. Vote for Ron Paul, he is not a cheater. Vote for Ron Paul to be our favorite leader. We need a change in our beloved country. Just for today, imagine what it could be if Ron Paul is the president, then we will be okay. So vote for Ron Paul to heal America. He is not corrupt. He once was a soldier. Vote for Ron Paul. It is the right call. Vote for Ron Paul for justice for all. Vote for Ron Paul. He's an honest man. Vote for Ron Paul, 'cause we can change this world by keeping our nations in hands that are clean of corruption. Vote for Ron Paul. We gotta do something.